Welcome to the Xome Agent Network. You've joined the world's first truly integrated platform, digitally connecting every major touchpoint in the real estate process, and we're happy to have you. Your agent profile has now been published and is available for customers to review. Our Xome Agent Portal stores, organizes, and manages your contacts and leads to help you maximize the conversion of prospects to customers. The Xome Agent Portal is seamlessly integrated with Xome. When you log into the Xome Agent Portal, you will land on the dashboard display. The dashboard is laid out with top and left side menu bars around topical groups of information gathered together in 5 default widgets. These are Active Clients, Activity Snapshot, Recent Saved Properties, Recent Saved Searches, and the Calendar. We will explain each of these in further detail. And please be aware that you can drag these widgets around the screen and arrange them to your personal preferences. The top menu bar contains links to your personal profile, to access the help area, and to sign off out of the portal. The left menu bar contains links to this dashboard, the contacts area, and the calendar. This menu bar can be hidden or exposed using the clickable arrows. And if you click on the plus symbol, you'll see the colored Add Widget area. By default, all 5 widgets appear on your desktop. However, with the Add Widget area open, you can drag widgets into the colored area to remove them off screen or back onto the screen at will. Now let's look at each of the widgets. The Active Clients widget displays clients which have been logged in within the past 30 days, and also displays their page hits or views. Clicking on a client's name will take you to their contact page's summary tab. The Activity Snapshot widget displays appointments, tasks, and events which have been entered either through this widget or through the calendar. Clicking on an activity will bring up the Edit Activity page, where you can add, modify, or delete activity details, including the activity itself. Select the Add New button to bring up the Add Activity screen, where you can create new events, appointments, or tasks. The Recent Saved Properties widget shows you the saved properties which have been created or updated by your clients within the last 7 days. As with the Active Clients widget, clicking on a client's name will take you to their contact page's summary tab. However, clicking on the property address will again take you to that client's contact page, but will place you on the Properties tab. The Recent Saved Searches widget reveals the searches created or updated by your clients within the last 7 days. The customer's name and Save Search name are again linked to their contact summary and properties tabs respectively. The Calendar widget displays your schedule in a current month view, and also shows a key to the priorities color scheme. Activities can be added to your calendar either through this widget directly, or through the contact record, or the Activity Snapshot widget. Selecting a date will take you to the calendar page with the Day tab revealed. There are also tabs for weekly and monthly views, and a Tasks tab to display an activity task list. Selecting Contacts from the left menu bar brings up the Contacts page, wherein you can view, add, and manage all of your contacts, leads, and clients. The Contacts page will first appear showing a table of all your contacts. New leads which have been assigned to you will display here. In order to delete a lead or not work with a particular client, please contact the concierge. You can add new contacts by selecting the Add Contact button. This will bring up the Add New Contact screen, where you can record your new contact's information. You can also choose to register a contact. This will register your customer directly on Xome and send them details for next actions. Since you are setting their password for them, for security reasons, you need to tell them their passwords over the phone. By default, this display shows all of your contacts. However, you can choose to limit the display by choosing to just show contacts, leads, or clients. You can also choose to filter your contacts by selecting the Filter By drop-down arrow and then selecting one of the several options that are presented. For example, all within 30 days or all clients. You can also filter at a more detailed or granular level, like by date created, name, address, source, and other options. To use one of these filters, check its selection box and then click on its underlined name to display the options for your selected filter. Watch how selecting different filters changes these options. Select the Search button when you're ready to execute your filtered search. Agents can view contact scores on the contact grid for their contacts and clients. Contact scores are a great way to identify active customers interested in making a real estate transaction. The score will change dynamically and will increase as the contact performs specific behaviors, and as time passes since the behavior was captured, it will decrease. Scores will display in 5 ranges, and each range has a designated color. Click the caret icon to sort scores in ascending or descending order in the grid. As with several of the widgets, clicking on a client's name will take you to their Contact Pages Summary tab. On this tab, you can track your customer's progress throughout the buying and selling process. Click on the arrow by the Select Status field for either buyer status or seller status, and select the appropriate status as you help your customer through the buying or selling experience. Make sure you click the Save button at the bottom to ensure your selection is saved. Please note that these statuses largely represent sequential steps in the normal transaction processes, like appointment set being naturally followed by touring properties, property selected, and offer made, etc. For example, when you set an appointment with a prospective buyer to tour a property, choose the appointment set status, and you can update that status to touring properties once you are on site. It is very important to keep your customer status updated as you progress through the buying or selling process. If a customer's status has not been updated for 2 or 3 days, we will contact you to see if there is an issue that we can help you resolve. We're relying on you to keep these statuses current, and our reporting is based on your last status update. RDocs is our new transaction management process and is currently in beta testing. More details will follow at a later date. If you run into any problems or need assistance, click on the help link to access a variety of user and contact information. Finally, welcome once again to the Xome Agent Network. We are glad you've joined our team.